If you're looking to engage your audience more effectively during live events, Livestorm's Q&A features are a game changer. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to use Livestorm's Q&A tool to keep your audience engaged, answer their burning questions, and make your webinars or virtual events interactive and impactful. Stick around until the end to learn how you can access this amazing feature with an exclusive extended free trial. Livestorm's Q&A feature is designed to make interaction seamless and impactful. First, you'll notice how easy it is to use for both presenters and attendees. Attendees can submit questions directly through the platform's interface during a live session. These questions are gathered in one place, making it easier for you to keep track and answer them as you go. One of the most powerful aspects of Livestorm's Q&A feature is the ability for attendees to upvote questions. This means the most relevant or pressing questions rise to the top, ensuring that you answer what's most important to your audience. This is perfect for keeping the conversation on track and avoiding unnecessary tangents. You can also moderate questions, which gives you control over what gets asked. This is especially useful for avoiding spam or irrelevant content. When moderating, you have the option to either approve or reject a question, and you can even provide brief responses in real time, which keeps the audience engaged and feeling heard. The Q&A tool also supports anonymity for participants. If someone is shy or doesn't want to reveal their identity, they can submit their question without their name showing up. This creates a comfortable space for your audience to ask the tough or private questions they might not normally raise in a public forum. Another feature worth mentioning is the ability to highlight questions. This makes it easier to direct your focus to the most important inquiries, and you can even pin them on the screen for everyone to see. This keeps the conversation flowing smoothly and ensures that the most valuable insights are not missed. And here's a bonus. Livestorm integrates seamlessly with other tools like Slack and email, so you can keep the conversation going even after the event ends. You can easily send follow-up emails with the most frequently asked questions or engage in deeper discussions in your own community or social media channels. At the end of your session, you'll have access to all the Q&A data, making it easy for you to analyze what your audience cared about the most and gather insights for future sessions. If you're looking to get started with Livestorm's Q&A features, you can try it out for free from the first link in the description below. Not only will you get a free trial, but you'll also get exclusive bonuses to supercharge your experience. So, to recap, Livestorm's Q&A feature allows you to engage with your audience more effectively, give them control over the conversation, and track what matters most. And don't forget, you can access this powerful tool for free with an exclusive extended trial by clicking the link below.